I said I wasn't going to do a video outside because it's going to be so windy, but inside, not only did I find Mr. Ed,
howdy,
but I also found a fellow content creator named Fig Beard.
Howdy.
And I'll just let him tell you a little bit about himself and his channel. Now, he's on Instagram, but I'll let him tell you a little bit about that.
I'm based in Austin, Texas, and I work with farms and orchards and property owners of all different types, helping them get set up with fruit trees. I also host all kinds of different workshops and events. Got an event just about every single month. So please check some of those out. Would love to see you and help teach you learn how to grow fruit trees successfully here in Texas.
All right, and his Instagram channel is named
Fig Beard.
That makes sense. And I'll put a link below. Be sure and check him out. He's got some good stuff, and we'll give you a lot of good information if you're an Instagram person. I do YouTube and Instagram. I really love both.
Thank y'all.
All right, while we're here, we're also going to talk to Ed Donnelly. He is the head honcho here at Sorelle Farms. Tell us what you got going on down here. Just an amazing place. If you're into agriculture, if you're into ornamentals or fruit trees or anything like that, it is here at Sorelle Farms.
Well, Alan, I appreciate that. For those of your listeners that have, or viewers that haven't seen us or come across us yet, if they're looking for plants and trees that are going to bear fruit, this is the place to come. Whether it's vines, berries, trees, citrus, you name it, we probably have it in stock.
That's true. I can attest to that. And it's the best stuff. I mean, I don't go to a big box store and get your peach trees. Don't go down there and get, stuff that you don't know where it came in from. You don't know anything about it. If you're not from here, go to your local nursery, or for sure Sorelle Farm ships. So come to them online and check them out. And I think they've still got the discount. Correct?
They do, yes.
Just put TP2 in the discount code and you get a 10% discount. So go to Sorelle Farms. They have got everything you need. If it grows, I think they probably got it. And if it helps it to grow, they've got some of that too.
Exactly. Well, we appreciate your partnership through the years. We're excited about this spring. The weather's finally warmed up, and we are in full throttle, just getting orders out the door and helping customers as best we can.
All right. Thank you, Ed.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and so he did this one right here, and he's going to be planting out over the next couple of weeks. And these are actually, Alan did a class for us a couple of years ago, and we planted these blackberries using primary freedoms.
Yeah.
And so we have them there.
So I'm back home. What did I get at Sorelle Farms? Besides meeting some new friends and seeing Ed Donnelly again for the first time in a while, what did I do? Well, here's what I went and picked up. This is the new ground cover, landscape cloth that I'm going to be putting down in my container garden, underneath my container garden. Mostly earth boxes. I may do some grow bags, probably will, leaning toward that, doing some grow bags. I really like the way the grow bags function and produce, and do just a really good job of that. But I had to have some good ground cover. The ground cover I put down last year was just terrible. It was Vevor product, and I've got several Vevor products, and they're great, but this ground cover was not. So I had a video up on that on Amazon reviewing it, and I pulled that down because I'm just not happy with it. I'm not going to say something I'm not going to say I like something that I don't. So anyway, this is Dewitt Sunbelt. I don't think it says on here how many mil thick it is or anything like that, but it's a 300-foot roll. 300 feet. 10 feet wide, 300 feet long, and it's supposed to be good. Like I say, they've had some down for years and years, a whole lot more traffic than we're going to have at my place with just me and a few others walking on the garden. So I think it should last a long time. resist tearing or puncturing, striped for plant alignment. That's not really important to me, but it could be to you. It's durable and long lasting, and it's highly UV resistant. So I'm really expecting this to do a good job. It was not cheap, don't get me wrong. This is not cheap at all. And I went ahead and bought a full roll. He said it'd be just about as cheap to buy a full roll as if they cut me off some. So I needed to cover area that was about 30 by 40, I think I told him. And I was wanting to do it twice. I'm going to run it one way, and then I'm going to run it the other way, and just to get a good covering, and hopefully, again, not ever have to do this again. So this is what I went and got. Had a good trip to Sorelle Farms, and enjoyable drive. For me, it's about 45 minutes, and good folks, man, good people. And if you need anything like that, I don't know that they would ship this. It's so heavy, bulky. Shipping may be, just cost prohibitive on that for you. But as far as plants, that's what they're set up for: shipping trees, shipping plants, blackberries, any kind of tree you'd want, just about. Some things they can't ship all over the country. California has some prohibitions on people shipping things in, but most anywhere else they can ship stuff to you, and just about anything. Again, ornamentals, they have hundreds of thousands probably of trees. So good folks, got everything you need, and if you use the initials TP2, then you get a 10% discount. So he does that for my folks, and he said y'all have been very good to him. I mean, seen a lot of business from my channel. So anyway, here's what I got, and next video probably will be me putting this stuff down. I'm figuring out a tool that's going to help me do this, I think, if it works out right. So anyway, this is what we went and got, and it's pretty heavy. It's probably, I would say it's around 100 pounds of stuff, and I expect it to do a good job. So hope you enjoyed the video. I met some new people, so I'll add again, and hope you enjoyed that part of it. First of all, check out Sorelle Farms online, and also check out Figbeard. Pretty cool guy. Pretty cool guy. I'll have a link below to everything. I will. All right. We're going.